Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to log out of Mobile Legends. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Play Store app and search for App Cloner. Download any available app from the list and open it. Once inside, tap on the plus icon, then select the Mobile Legends app. The cloning process will begin, and once it is complete, the cloned version of the game will open. Now, sign in to your existing account within the cloned app and go to the game's homepage. Tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, then navigate to the Account tab. From there, select Account Center on the right side, where you will find various account management options. Next, tap on Device Management, which will show all devices linked to your account. Locate the device you want to log out from and select the Logout option to remove access. Once you have successfully logged out from the other device, close the cloned app. Finally, open the original Mobile Legends app and your account will be logged out. This ensures that your account is no longer accessible from the previous device. So that's basically how you can log out of Mobile Legends. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.